Hello everyone, this is Mihir Korulwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on ICICI Bank. Analyst maintains buy rating on ICICI Bank with a target price of Rs 1550. The bank is relatively well positioned in the current cycle as it continues to outperform peers on most of its key operating parametrics, exhibiting strong franchise strength despite sectoral headwinds. We believe bank is likely to sustain ROA over 2% in near to medium term. It remains a top pick in the private bank space. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in the last 1 year and is currently trades at 1.8x its FY27 core book value estimates. Next, we have an update on Indian hotels. Analyst maintains buy rating on Indian hotels with a price target of Rs 976. Management expects quarter 4 to be strong, driven by multiple demand drivers such as large-scale events and concerts, higher wedding dates, peak travel season for spiritual tourism, continued momentum of domestic tourism and recovery in foreign tourists. Indian Hotel maintain guidance of double-digit LFL revenue growth in FY25. With 55 signings and 20 openings in 9-month FY25, Indian Hotels is on track to reach 700 hotels by 2030. 360 hotels at Q3 FY25 end, with a strong focus on capital light expansion. Stock trades at 22x its FY27 EV to EBITDA respectively.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.